Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're cooking up a Philly cheesesteak burger. It's quite easy to get cooking on the Masterbuilt 800. It's gravity fed charcoal, so you pour charcoal in over the top, then light it underneath with a couple of fire lighters. Get it up to the temperature you want by setting the fan to the temperature you want, and then you're good to go once it reaches temperature. So then I sear everything off, cooking the onions and peppers in butter, searing the steak. The burgers get a nice sear on the outside, and then I bring everything together at the end in a nice toasted brioche bun. So these burgers are sensational. Double dry aged patties, flat iron steak, seared and then steamed with Swiss cheese on top with a lovely local beer. All cooked on the Masterbuilt 800 with the plancha. High temperature, knocking out a good sear on the burgers. Let's have a look in this burger. Go. So this is a great simple recipe. Have a go at this at home.